Got a little insert for out here. And I don't have my shoes on and my feet are warm and toasty. And it's a cold day. Hey, puppies. Pretty, pretty, pretty puppies. Yeah, she's a pretty puppy. Got electricity. It's nice. Here's your back door. We'll go outside in a minute. I started with the inside because it's cold out there. This is like a little office area. You could take that down if you wanted to. And then this door comes in and makes a loop to the front door. So here's more pantry. This is where the cat lives. This is the kitty spot. And the pantry. This is the garage entrance. And that's washer dryer on first floor. That's nice. That's a big little bathroom with a potty and a sink. That's where we started. And this is the garage. They have it gravel because of weather and mud and whatnot. But this is a big one because they got both their cars parked in here with plenty of room. I'm not going to walk out there because I don't have my shoes on. But it's big one.